Noshahro Firoz Muhammad Umar ZR News. A grand spiritual gathering was organized by Dawat-e-Islami, in which thousands of lovers of the Prophet, peace be upon him, from the city and its surrounding areas enthusiastically participated. The gathering began with the recitation of the Holy Quran, after which the blessing of Naat-e Rasool-e Maqbool, peace be upon him, was obtained. Maulana Haji Abdul Habib Attari, a member of the Central Shura Council, spoke specifically on the virtues of Durood-e-Pak in his effective and heartwarming speech. He shed light on the importance of avoiding lies, avoiding backbiting, protecting trust, and adopting the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, in a very comprehensive and understandable manner. Tight security arrangements were made in view of the arrival of thousands of participants in the gathering, while the spiritual atmosphere and the great enthusiasm of the participants were noticeable. Finally, a heartfelt prayer was offered for the peace of the country and nation, the unity of the Muslim Ummah, and the resolution of each person's personal religious and worldly problems, in which a large number of participants raised their hands and shouted Ameen.
Nabi Sayyidina